What's up, guys? Welcome to another daily recap of the SPY. Just going over today's price action. I've been really wanting to take away some of these lines, but I haven't been able to because, uh, for one, we've still been having, sideways trading for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For the past 9 days, if you look at the body of this candle, it's not much different than the body of this candle. Um, is that something bullish? Well, not necessarily, but in the grand scheme of things, the fact that you making a bear flag with the run up and then a consolidation is just what that's saying is that the market is building energy for another leg higher. But right now you know it needs to cool off a little bit because one, first of all, you need to let your moving averages catch up, and second, if from this day to the next day it would have gone like very green, your RSI would have gone into the the very overbought condition. And that's one of the benefits about just trading sideways for now is that your RSI is going back into the middle, but your price is still about the same. So as of right now, we still have to we have to keep a lookout on the fact that it doesn't dump below this level. And so pretty much today nothing ended up happening. We did see a big scare in the morning where you got one of these very long tail wicks, but by the end of the day I was actually able to recover over 1% and ended up closing over here. This has been a result of like increased volatility, and this has actually been very favorable for the bull case because the market has gotten quite far scares of like wanting to dump, but it just hasn't been able to, because uh, you know this number keeps being support as well as this number. If we look at the daily chart today, um, we see a open here, consolidation here, a sell off, reversal, a sell off, reversal, and then you almost got the push down to this, but um, somebody front ran the price 13 cents and they made a reversal for the rest of the day. And then we ended up closing actually above where we opened, and we ended up closing close to some of the numbers from yesterday's candle, but we're pretty much just been trading sideways for now. It's burning options. A lot of the monthly expirations, they end up expiring tomorrow, and it's just a market maker's way of uh, you know making those extra profits by burning the theta from the call contracts. But as you can tell, some of the numbers were important. Some were not as much anymore. The gray, the gray line was tested, came here, stuck around here for like 3 minutes, and then ran away. The green line touched, bounced away. Some of these lines become less important over time. So, this, for example, this red line, you only saw a slight touch here once, and then run away to the purple. And I've been hesitant to add more lines because it makes the chart look a little dirty, and I'm actually trying to take some of these away. But until we stop trading out of this range, I'm just going to be keeping these here for reference. Now, are there some pivots that are stronger than others? And the answer is yes. The strongest pivot for the bottom side is going to be this right here, your 387.60, because it's your low of the very long candle that happened a couple of days ago, right? Below this, and this market is selling off. Now, for the intraday, one of your more important pivots is going to be around the 388.60, and that's because that's where a lot of your algos are right now, like seen as like the pivot point. Below, you have a bearish case, and then once you go above and they recapture that, you're good to go. Um, so that's going to be it for today. I'm going to keep it short. We'll see what tomorrow holds. We'll have these numbers. I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow we get one more sideways day, and then Monday, for example, over the weekend we get some good news, or we get some phony headline, and the market just keeps pushing up after that. But for right now, we're just going to be consolidating. We might consolidate a day or two more, let the moving average just catch up, and then bounce from there. If you have any questions, always just drop a comment, like, subscribe, share it, and then see you in the next video.